Hello fitness enthusiasts, today we're diving into the versatile HAPBEAR Folding Exercise Bike, a 3-in-1 marvel designed for whole body workouts with its upright, recumbent, and folding modes. This bike not only supports up to 300 pounds with its stable triangle structure but also comes with hand resistance bands to target different muscle groups, making it a comprehensive fitness solution. The large LCD monitor keeps you informed with real-time data on distance, calories, pulse, time, speed, and more, while the built-in iPad holder adds an element of entertainment to your workouts. With 8 levels of adjustable magnetic resistance, you can customize your training intensity, and the arm resistance bands ensure both upper and lower body engagement. Comfort is key with the oversized seat cushion and anti-slip pedals, accommodating users with up to size 13 shoes. Plus, HAPBEAR offers high-quality after-sales service and a lifetime warranty, ensuring peace of mind with your purchase. Transform your home workouts with the HAPBEAR Folding Exercise Bike and make fitness a fun and integral part of your daily routine. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.